Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. So I already started here and I totally forgot to film, but basically I went up in the attic right here and I drilled a hole in this wall plate, down into this wall plate, and then I lined up where the old plug was, where the new one is, and I dropped 2 lines down, which is basically the same line. And from here, I'm going to take this juncture box, or this switch box, and I'm going to put both these wires into it. And this has little flip tabs, and when you start screwing it, these flip up and catch the drywall. There's one on the top and the bottom. See that? It catches the drywall. So my switch will be in and cover plated, and then all I have to do is go up in the attic to put the, well, I have to locate where my fan's going to be. I'm thinking like right out here in the middle of the room, and and then tap into power somewhere up there. So let's get this right here now. Alright folks, so up in the attic I located where I'm gonna put it, and I put a screw right there. See, I put a screw going down so I know where the side of the rafter is at, and then from there into the bathroom. There's my screw sticking down, and it was 18¼ inches off the wall, so I made 18¼ inches off the wall and held up my fan kit, which is sitting here. And now I'm going to cut that out and get the fan mounted. Then I'm going to try to run the power wire and bump off of this plug. So let's see what we could do. Alright, so now that I got the hole up in there, this is my my box. I have to go up in the attic and mount this to that rafter, and I'm going to get this duct put on there first before I See, I got this duct right here. It's a 3-inch. I want to get this duct secured on there before I get the thing bolted up. So let me get going with that, and I'll be back at you in a moment. Alright, so I'm going to go up in the attic, and I have a yellow wire, and I'm going to, well, first I'm going to go shut the power off in the house, and I'm going to test it, and then I'm going to cut the wire and splice it and bring it through here, and then bring my wire for the fan, a power wire that goes to my switch here, and I'm going to put them in a wire nut. And I'm going to secure this to a rafter, and I'm going to cover plate this. And then that should bring power over to my fan. So I don't know if I'm going to take the camera up in the attic, but I'll be back at you in a flash. Alright folks, so I got the thing wired, it's vented out to the gable end. I didn't take this up in the attic with me. It's 1,000 degrees, but are you ready? Alright folks, so the next thing I'm going to do in here is paint around this, give it a final sanding, and paint around the tub. And I don't think you guys want to watch me do that. So thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button. Choo choo.